And if I try to take a screenshot, for example, what it will show is that it does take a screenshot and then it will not. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you one of Instagram's well-known features that can be used when you need privacy in your communications, even with just your friends or with business negotiations. So what you need to do is, of course, we need to head first to Instagram. Now that's pretty simple. So here we are already. We are now on Instagram, and what we just need to do is, of course, head over to our messages because that's the point of this video. So what Vanish messages, Vanish mode does is that it will turn your conversation with one person into a secret conversation. Now, to show you what I mean, I'm currently here in the conversation with my friend, and we're just sending each other reels or random photos. Like, for example, this photo of Manny Pacquiao. But let's say we don't want other people to see this and want this conversation, or want to talk about something that will just be seen by the two of us. Then of course what you need to do is to head over to Vanish mode. Now to do that, what you just need to do is pretty simple. You just hold over here from the bottom part of your screen and then just scroll up. So like this, as you can see, once you reach this certain part, it will turn blue, and when you release, it will now turn to Vanish mode. Now you can't send or forward any messages that you will talk about here, so whatever is said here will only stay in here. However, you can take photos of the conversation. For example, I say hey, and then there's that. But then if I try to take a screenshot, for example, what it will show is that it does take a screenshot and then it will notify the other user that I have taken a screenshot. Now that's for the purposes of making sure that both parties are in the same on the same page for this one, for each other's protection. Now if you want to go back and no longer want to use Vanish mode anymore, what you just need to do is just to scroll up again from the bottom, and then boom, it's gone. As you can see, that's it. That is how you can turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.